धीरा, ये लो एक अनदर चांस। दैट मीन्स दूसरा मौका, मतलब 24 घंटे का एक पूरा दिन का टाइम, वक्त। सुधार लो अपने कल की गलतियों को और बना लो आज के इस दिन को बेटर कल से। गुड मॉर्निंग दिया।
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। हाँ, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। हाँ, शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। हाँ, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। तुम्हीं से है आगाज तुम्हीं अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। हाँ, गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। हाँ, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। तुम्हीं से है हर सुबह तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। हाँ, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। हाँ, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। जीते जा बस जीते जा, जीते जा बस जीते जा, हर उस पल को बस जीते जा, जिसे चाहता है तू, जिसे मांगता है तू, जिसे जानता है तू। जीते जा बस जीते जा, जीते जा बस जीते जा, हर उस पल को बस जीते जा, जिसे चाहता है तू, जिसे मांगता है तू, जिसे जानता है तू। जीते जा बस जीते जा, इतना आसान नहीं माना, पर मुश्किल भी नहीं माना तुम। हाँ, इतना आसान नहीं माना, पर मुश्किल भी नहीं माना तुम। हाँ, पर मुश्किल भी नहीं माना तुम। मानो तुम, जानो तुम, पहचानो तुम, अपनाओ तुम। मानो तुम, जानो तुम, पहचानो तुम, अपनाओ तुम। जीते जा बस जीते जा, जीते जाओ बस जीते जा, हर उस पल को बस जीते जा, जिसे चाहता है तू, जिसे मांगता है तू, जिसे जानता है तू। जीते जा बस जीते जा।
ओ धीरा, आज पहले आ गए सबसे।
choose the word that is the closest synonym to the word. Synonym, that means a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning. मतलब समानार्थी शब्द. For example, be का synonym large होता है, happy का joyful, begin का start. Now comes to the question. Expectation. Expectation is a noun जिसका मीनिंग होता है a strong belief or feeling that something will happen in the future. मतलब अपेक्षा, उम्मीद, आशा. For example, I have great expectations from you. मतलब मुझे तुमसे बहुत उम्मीद है. We expect good results. मतलब हमें अच्छे परिणाम की आशा है. So let's come to the option. Surprise. Surprise, that means something unexpected that happens suddenly. मतलब आश्चर्य. For example, the birthday party was a surprise. ये synonyms नहीं है expectations का, क्योंकि expectations means you already think something will happen and surprise means you did not expect it. So it is wrong. Think like this. Expectation equals to already expected and surprise equals to not expected. That means they are opposite ideas. So it's wrong. Now disappointment. Disappointment. That means sadness because something did not happen as expected. मतलब निराशा. For example, the exam result was a disappointment. तो ये wrong हो जाएगा क्योंकि expectation means something you hope for and if it doesn't happen, disappointment. So disappointment is often the result of an unmet expectation. Unmet expectation means unfulfilled or unsatisfied. So it's not synonym of expectation. So ये भी wrong हो जाएगा. Hope, that means to wish or believe that something good will happen. मतलब आशा, उम्मीद. For example, I hope you succeed. She has hope for a better future. It's correct because both words, expectation and hope, involve believing something good is likely to happen. That means expectation equals to a strong belief and hope equals to positive belief. So they are closest in meaning among the options. So it's correct. Memory. Memory, that means the ability to remember past events. मतलब याददाश्त या स्मृति. For example, he has a good memory. ये भी wrong हो जाएगा क्योंकि expectation looks towards the future but memory looks towards the past. That means different time direction. So it's wrong. So the answer is hope. Imagine you are waiting for your SSC result. Before the result, I hope I pass. I expect I will pass. Both point to the future. If you fail, disappointment. If the result comes unexpectedly, surprise. Surprise मतलब unexpected event. Disappointment मतलब sadness after failure. Hope मतलब positive expectations. Memory मतलब remembering the past. Eager, that means very excited and ready to do something. मतलब उत्सुक, आतुर, बहुत इच्छुक. For example, she is eager to learn English. The children were eager to open their gifts. Now comes to the options. Reluctant, that means not willing or hesitant to do something. That means unwilling, मतलब अनिच्छुक, हिचकिचाने वाला. For example, he was reluctant to speak in public. So ये wrong हो जाएगा क्योंकि eager means want to do it and reluctant means doesn't want to do it. That means they are opposites. So it's wrong. Now enthusiastic, that means showing great interest and excitement. That means excited. मतलब उत्साही. For example, she is enthusiastic about science. It's correct because both eager and enthusiastic describe someone who is excited and interested. So it's correct. Lazy, that means unwilling to work or make an effort. That means not hardworking. मतलब आलसी. For example, the lazy boy avoided homework. So it's wrong because an other person is ready to act and a lazy person avoids action. So it's wrong. Careless, that means not paying attention. That means not attentive. मतलब लापरवाह. For example, he made a careless mistake. So it's wrong because careless describes attention and eager describes interest and excitement. That means they are different. So it's wrong. So answer is enthusiastic.
Picture your way to self-success. If you are involved in selling any product or service, it's vital that you see yourself succeeding on a consistent basis. If you are not getting the results you want, there is no question that you are holding on to pictures of sales mediocrity or sales disappointment as opposed to sales success. Right now, think about your next meeting with a prospect. In your mind, how do you see the encounter? As you confident and persuasive? Are you enthusiastically explaining the benefits of what you are offering? Is the prospect receptive and interested in what you are saying? Can you vividly see a successful outcome to your meeting? Remember that you are the producer, director, scriptwriter, lighting coordinator, custom designer, and casting director of your own mental movies. You get to choose how they turn out. By mentally rehearsing and running successful outcomes through your mind, you are paving the way for success in your sales career. Of course, if you currently run images through your mind where the prospect rejects your ideas and has no interest in your presentation, you will attain very limited success from your sales efforts. You will attract those people and those situations that correspond to your negative images. So, today's quote is, you have control over the pictures that occupy your mind. choice is yours तेरा, because एक ही तो जिंदगी मिली है दिरा, एक ही तो जिंदगी मिली है दिरा, choice is yours, क्योंकि you know it, यथा दृष्टि तथा सृष्टि, डर के आगे ही तो जीत है, डर के आगे ही तो जीत है। क्या कमी रह गए देखो और सुधार करो, तू जिंदा है तो जिंदगी की जीत पे यकीन कर, है अगर कहीं स्वर्ग जो उतार ला जमीन पर, तू जिंदा है